How to check location history by device on Google account. So what we'll do is we'll simply open our Google app here, and then we will go in our profile and click on manage your Google account. And then after clicking on our manage your Google account, we will get to see a lots of option right here, and we will simply click on privacy and personalization, which is available right on the below. And here, after clicking on it, we will simply scroll, and we will be able to see things you have done before, and places you have been before. So that is what we will click on, and we'll able to see the location or places that we have been to. But the first thing that we have to do is we have to make sure that our location is turned on. And yeah, so after turning on our location, we will be simply able to check our location history by device on Google account.